Canbest indoor fixed LED display. The cabinet size can be 640 by 320, 640 by 480, and 600 by 337.5 millimeter. And pixel pitch can be available from P0.9 to P4, which can easily achieve 2K, 4K, 8K resolution. With SMD, GOB, COB technology, the screens can meet the demands of different indoor applications, such as churches, schools, conference rooms, control rooms, restaurants, airports, showcases, shopping malls, TV studio, bars, casinos. In addition to basic flat installation, our cabinets also support curved installation, right angles, and other creative installation, such as cube and column. And customized shape screens can also be easily made. Debugging and publishing programs can be operated by mobile phones, iPads, and computers. It is simple and efficient to play pictures, videos, and files freely, according to your requirement. Canbest indoor LED display can offer various installation methods, such as wall-mounted, hanging, and stacking. There are also products that can be plug-and-play, easy and convenient for your business. We provide 5-year warranty and worry-free after-sales service with reasonable price. If you are interested, please contact us now. Canbest, your best choice of LED display.